You just finished the best song of your life, but your bank account is sitting at zero. This is the exact moment where many independent artists start looking for a side door into the music industry. They find a service that promises to put their art on every major streaming platform for free. It sounds like a total miracle when you are first starting out. You upload your audio file. You enter your track titles. You click that big submit button. Then, the waiting game begins. This is where the experience becomes a bit of a gamble. Some people see their music go live in a few days. Others are left refreshing their dashboard for 3 weeks straight. It is a game of digital roulette. The platform operates on a very simple logic. You do not pay them any money up front. In exchange, they take a small slice of your royalties once the streams start rolling in. For a new artist with no budget, that is a fantastic deal. You have nothing to lose except a bit of time. But if you have a specific release date in mind, this unpredictability can be a total nightmare. You cannot build a marketing plan around a launch date that might happen next Tuesday or maybe next month. The stress of the unknown starts to weigh on you. You try to reach out to their support team to see what is happening. This is another area where the experience varies wildly. One day, you might get a helpful human who fixes your issue in an hour. The next time, it feels like you are shouting into a deep, dark canyon. Your messages just vanish into the void. Many artists get frustrated and decide to jump ship to a paid competitor. They want the peace of mind that comes with a paid subscription. Yet, there is a huge community of creators who use this service every single day without any major drama. Their tracks get delivered eventually. Their money shows up in their account. Life goes on. It is not the most polished or high-end experience available. It is more like taking the city bus instead of hiring a private driver. The bus will get you to your destination. It just might take a few extra stops, and the seats might be a little worn out. If you are a hobbyist just testing the waters, it is a solid choice. You can experiment without any financial risk. But if you are trying to run a professional music business, the lack of consistency might be a deal breaker. You have to ask yourself if saving a few dollars is worth the potential headache of a delayed release. It is a trade-off between your wallet and your sanity. Some people have the patience of a saint and do not mind the delays. Others need a service that responds to every ping within minutes. You have to know which type of creator you are before you hit that upload button. This service is a powerful tool for democratization. It lets anyone participate in the global music economy. Just make sure you bring a healthy dose of patience along for the ride. If you go in with realistic expectations, you might find it to be the perfect home for your catalog. Just do not expect red carpet treatment when you are getting in for free. It is a functional bridge to the big leagues. It is not always pretty. It is not always fast. But it gets the job done for those who can handle the quiet periods. You are essentially trading speed for access. For some, that is the bargain of a lifetime. For others, it is a source of constant irritation. Take a long look at your career goals before you commit your files to the system. If you are in a rush, look elsewhere. If you are playing the long game, this might be your best bet.